Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some really amazing iOS 14 shortcuts that you will actually use. Another thing that's very useful on your device is the like button on this video, so make sure you leave a like as it helps out a lot. And I got a few extras by the end of the video, so make sure you hang on and watch all those cool features that you can add to your iPhone. Starting things off with set some alarms. Most of us, when we wake up, we have to set 2 or even 3 or maybe even more alarms, and it is annoying setting alarms maybe like every 5 or 10 minutes. With this shortcut, all you gotta do is run the shortcut, choose the time when you want to start or you want to be woken up by. So let's say 8 a.m. I want to start at 8 a.m. and then I want to have, let's say, 5 alarms. So done here 5 every 5 minutes. So every 5 minutes, click done, and now we're good to go. If we go right here to the clock app and go to the alarms, you can see that now it has actually created all these alarms, all separated by 5 minutes each, and of course there's no chance I won't be waking up. Next up is Wi-Fi QR code. This shortcut allows us to create a QR code for your Wi-Fi network so that when you want to share your Wi-Fi network with someone, you don't have to tell them which is your Wi-Fi network or what's the passcode. All you gotta do is just show them the QR code, they scan it, and they're good to go. They're connected to your Wi-Fi network, and of course without having to add a passcode. Now what you need to do is just tap to run the shortcut, and right here it shows the name of the current network you're connected on. You tap done here, and then just go ahead and type the password for that network. Once you have typed the passcode and click the done button, you choose the security options, basically what type of security you use on that network. And once you have done that, it shows you the QR code. You tap on it, and from here you will be able to actually save this as an image, and then anytime you want to share your Wi-Fi network with someone, just show them this QR code. Charging notification is the next shortcut for the video. It allows you to set a notification at whatever percentage of charge you want. So you plug in your device to charge, and let's say in this case I want to be notified when my device is charged, and let's say it's 70%. So we have some preset ones right here that we can choose, or just go with a custom one. So let's just set 70%, click done, and now once you have done that, at the time that your device will reach that percentage, this shortcut will give you a notification. Photos Toolkit is probably the only Photos shortcut that you need on your iOS 14 device. You run the Photos Toolkit shortcut, and you will have here the option to actually resize images, convert them to different type of files, rotate them, combine them together, overlay images, flip them, make GIFs out of live photos, or just mark them up. So what we're doing here is just let's combine some images into a collage. So just tap there and select the images. So here we have selected 4 images, tap the add button, and you can see right now we can have a spacing between them. So let's just leave that at 25 pixels, and let's do a grid here. And once it's done with the process, you can see right there it has actually created this grid of these pictures that we just chose from our library. Of course, you tap right there, you will be able to save this under the camera roll of your device or share it anywhere you want. Next up is dictate to notes. Now of course, typing notes sometimes might be really annoying, so you can just dictate to them. With this shortcut, of course, you run the shortcut, and from here all you gotta do is just start dictating anything you want to your notes. So, hi, this is a test note. Tap the stop button, and as easy as that, this will be saved as a new note under the stock notes app of iOS. The next shortcut for the video is called Make PDF, and you can run this one from the share sheet. So whether you're on a website or on Notes, for example, or any other different app, you can create PDFs out of those files. So here I have one of my notes. I can tap right there and tap to send a copy. This is where you see the share sheet of the Notes app, and all I gotta do is just tap here, make PDF, and as you can see right there, this shortcut will create a PDF file out of this note. What I can do is tap the share button again, and I can save this to files right there, or I can share it anywhere I want. Calculate tip is a must-have as well. It allows us to easily and quickly calculate how much you want to tip. So what you gotta do, run the shortcut, and from here just enter the amount of your bill, and then of course tap the done button. Right here it will show you a menu with options of percentages that you might want to tip. So let's just be generous and go with 20%, and right there it will show you the amount of the tip. So it's $11, and the total with the bill and including the tip is $66. So as easy as that, you will have all that calculated for you without having, of course, to go through a calculator or something like that. Google Translate is also a must-have shortcut that is also very useful. It allows us to quickly translate from any app. All you gotta do is just select like the text that you want to translate. So here I have a text, just go from the share here and just go to Google Translate. And what you gotta do here is just choose on which language you want to translate. You will have these three that are preset. Of course, you can add your others right there as well. So pick the language to which you want to translate and just wait a second here. It will show you right there the result of the translation. What you can do here is choose to share that translation or just tap right there to copy it to the clipboard. And then of course you can go ahead and just use that anywhere you want, of course simply by pasting the text that has already been translated with this shortcut. Time between dates is one of my favorite shortcuts. It allows you to see how much time is left until a date that you choose. If you want to do hours, days, or weeks, or even minutes or seconds, doesn't matter, you just run the shortcut. It shows you basically here the calendar, and from here you choose the date that you want to start. So let's just pick the today's date, click the done button, and let's just go here with the end of the month, click done, and now we have options here to choose how many hours, seconds, minutes, or even weeks are until that date, or we can just choose total time right there, 18 days, 23 hours. As easy as that, you can know how much time is left until a date that you need. Screenshot Framer is the next shortcut for the video. It allows you to easily place your screenshots into an iPhone frame or any other picture that you want, and sharing those on social media or anywhere with an iPhone frame will look really beautiful. So you run the shortcut and make sure you go ahead and pick one of your pictures or screenshots that you want to share. And once you have done that, you can pick your device from here, and you can also pick a color for the device, and then it will do that automatically. So you can scale it. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And right here is the result. It will show you your screenshot in an iPhone case, which is really awesome, and it looks very, very beautiful. And last but not least, I have some pretty cool shortcuts that you can use with the back tap feature of iOS. So let's go to settings, go to accessibility here, go to touch, and here we have back tap, and we have 4 different shortcuts that are very useful, and of course again you can use with the back tap feature. Now let's just go here to the shortcuts section, and here we have the first one is called light ups. Now what light ups does, it will basically just turn up the brightness of your device by 10% anytime you double tap on the back tap of your iPhone. That's really cool, and of course anytime you need to bring up the brightness, you can do that from here. So let's just try it out. And just like that, you can see it will turn up the brightness of the device. The other one is called right here, light and dark. This allows you to quickly change between the light and the dark mode on your iOS 14 device. So double tap there, double tap again, or triple tap, whichever you want to use, to make sure that you go from the light mode to the dark mode, and of course vice versa. Another one that you can use with the back tap, double tap, or triple tap feature is quick pick. This one allows you to quickly take a picture from the camera of your iPhone. Just double tap on the back or triple tap, whichever feature you use, and you will be able to quickly take a picture from the front facing camera, even though by tapping on the 3 dots on the shortcut you can configure it to use other cameras, maybe the front one or any mode you want. And we have another one called flash tap. This allows us to quickly turn on or off the flashlight of your device simply by double tapping or triple tapping on the back of your iPhone. So that is it for this video, guys. These are the shortcuts for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed them, and hopefully you will find them useful. If you did, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to download any of them, make sure you check out the pinned comment. I will see you guys on the next one.